Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Forms in email. This is incredibly useful when you need to collect responses directly through email without requiring recipients to navigate to a separate web page. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that contains the form you want to share, as this will ensure you have the proper access and editing rights. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've created or recently accessed. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to embed in your email. Once you've found it, click on it to open the form editor. This step is crucial because it brings up all the sharing and distribution options you'll need with your form. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Share. Click on this button to access the sharing options. This is where Google Forms really shines, offering multiple ways to distribute your form to your intended audience. A sharing dialog box will appear on your screen. Within this box, you'll see a text field specifically designed for entering email addresses. Click inside this field and type the email address of the person or people you want to send the form to. You can add multiple email addresses here if you need to reach several recipients at once. Google will automatically format these addresses and prepare them for sending. Once you've entered all the necessary email addresses, look for the Done button typically located at the bottom of the sharing dialog. Click Done to finalize the process. Google Forms will now send an email to each recipient with your form embedded directly in the message, making it incredibly easy for them to respond without leaving their inbox. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded your Google form in an email, streamlining the response collection process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.